When you're looking to record rock music in your personal home studio, one of the most important pieces of equipment that you'll need is an audio interface. In this video, we'll discuss what an audio interface is and how to use one to record your rock guitar. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing Ginger is back with some more guitar related content. If you're new to the channel, my name is Scott and I help aspiring rock guitar players improve their playing and music production with guitar lessons and audio recording tutorials. If you find this kind of content helpful, please consider subscribing. And let's dive into the video. So, what is an audio interface? An audio interface is quite simply what you need to get sound in and out of your computer. It acts as the front end of your computer recording system, and it expands and improves the sonic capabilities of your computer. Audio interfaces allow you to connect things like microphones and guitar cables to your computer, often by simply plugging the interface into the computer's USB port. A great example of an audio interface for the small home studio setup is the Focusrite Scarlett Solo. It has a quality built-in preamp, as well as an XLR input for a microphone and an input for a 1/4-inch guitar cable. It also has two balanced outputs for left and right studio monitors. This audio interface will plug into the USB port on your computer. And if you have Thunderbolt ports on a newer Mac, you can use a USB hub to plug it in, as shown. When you plug your audio interface in for the first time, follow the steps to register your product and install the appropriate drivers. Once you've done this, you're ready to use your audio interface. Before you create a new session in your digital audio workstation, make sure your playback engine is set to your audio interface. This step is very important. As you can see, the computer defaults to the Pro Tools input-output, so I'll change this to my Scarlett Focusrite and click OK. Now I'll plug my guitar into the 1/4-inch instrument jack on the interface. I'll make sure the instrument button is clicked, and I'll adjust the gain knob so that it picks up the guitar sound without clipping. From here, you can use your digital audio workstation, in this case Pro Tools, to record your guitar, and you can use plugins to mimic the best electric guitar amps and rock guitar pedals. If you have an amplifier, another option would be to mic your amp and then plug the mic into the audio interface using the XLR input. Whether you're miking your amp or using plugins to get your guitar sound, the audio interface is the tool that makes recording your guitar on your computer possible. If you're putting together a small home studio, let me know in the comments down below. Also, check out the description box where I'll leave a link to the Focusrite Scarlett Solo audio interface. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar-related content every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.